Good morning. Today is Friday, February 27th, 2026. I am here at Drillington Creek Pier 3, and this is a before video of Sabbath at slip 34. Before we get into the before video, we have 3 Mercury 400 V10s on the back here for your out drives, and I believe 2 R4 trim tab zincs. But let's go ahead and check it all out. So, correction, we do not have any R4 trim tab zincs. We do have 2 DP612 transom zincs, and we also have 2 bow thruster zincs that I will get the information for and put in the notes.